To download free wallpapers on Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we can open Settings. Next, in the Settings, we're going to proceed to Themes. And once we open Galaxy Themes, let's try again. There we go. Then in here, we should be able to switch to Wallpapers at the bottom of the screen. In here, of course, we should be able to find many example wallpapers, and some of them, unfortunately, are not for free, if not most of them. But if we go to Top, then over here, we should be able to see mostly free content. We can also tap on All here on the left side in order to switch to free, so you can see only the free content now. And once we find the wallpaper that we would like to use, so let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here, then we should be able to download the wallpaper, and then we can apply it. Of course, we can choose if we want the wallpaper on the lock screen or home screen or both. I'm gonna set it for both, and then let's just tap on Done in the upper right corner. And there we go. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.